most of the Google tools, there's an app equivalent. This is really useful as we carry our phones around with us everywhere that we go. Google Keep on your mobile device will sync to any device that you signed into. This means that while you're on the go and you need to add a quick note to your list of reminders, it's easy to do. Let's have a look at what Google Keep looks like on your mobile device. Open Google Keep on your mobile device. On the left-hand side, you have your hamburger, your main menu icon, where you can access the different sections of Google Keep. We will come back to this menu a little later. From the main screen of Google Keep, direct your eyes towards the bottom of the screen. Here, you will see a number of icons, including the plus icon. When you select the plus icon, you will be able to create a new note. Start by giving your note a title, and then jot down your notes. In the top right-hand corner, you will be able to pin a note using the pin icon. Pinning a note will ensure that it always remains at the top of your Keep notes so that you are able to access it quickly. The next icon at the top is the little bell icon. This little bell icon is where you can set a time or location-based reminder. In order to be reminded about your note at a certain time, select the date you would like to be reminded and the time, and then choose if you would need to be reminded daily, weekly, a custom date range, or simply that this reminder does not repeat, and then select Save. That time reminder will be added to your note as well as be added to Google Calendar at the time that you have set to be reminded. Alternatively, you can set a location-based reminder. Simply select the little bell icon from the top again, but this time navigate to the tab that says Place. Enter the location of where you would like this reminder to pop up. Your device may prompt you that in order to use the location-based reminders feature, Google Keep will need to have access to your device's location. If you are happy with this and you would like to use this feature, select the option that suits your needs. You will then be reminded about that note when you arrive at that specific location. The last icon in the top right-hand corner is the Archive icon. From here, you can archive any notes that you have created. They will appear in the Archive section of Google Keep, which you can access from the left-hand menu. Let's shift our focus to the bottom of this Keep note. When you select the little plus icon in the bottom left-hand corner, you will see a number of options that you have available. Here, you can choose to use your device's camera and to take a photo. This photo will be added to your Keep note. If you already have an image on your device that you would like to use, select Add Image and your device images will appear. Simply select the one that you are looking for. Once you have added in all your images, you have a few additional options that are available. Select the image and a preview of it will open. From the top right-hand corner, you have two options. A pen icon, which will allow you to make any annotations to the image using a number of pen options, or alternatively, to change the page layout of this image, or a really exciting feature is to grab text from an image. In order for this feature to be used effectively, you have to take a really clear and focused image. The next option you have from this plus icon is to add in a drawing. From the drawing, start at the top right-hand corner where you see the three dots. Choose to show grid and select the page layout that you would like to be added. You can now use your drawing tools to do what it is that you need to do in your drawing. This drawing will automatically be saved for you. In Google Keep, you also have the ability to add a recording. When you use this Google Keep voice note option, it will notate what it is that you are saying, as well as add a voice recording to your Keep note. How handy is that? You can listen to this note at any time and edit the text that appears. The final option from this little plus icon is the ability to add checkboxes. Doing this will change your Keep note into a series of checkboxes that you can tick off. This is really useful if you need to keep track of certain tasks that need completing in your team, or if you have a process that needs to be followed. When you are done with one of the items, simply tick it off and it will be moved to the completed section below. If you need it to be returned, you can simply untick it from the completed section. If you would like it to be removed from the completed section, use the little X to delete it. You are able to rearrange the order of these checkboxes by dragging them up and down from the little ice tray icon that appears on the left-hand side. On the bottom right-hand corner, you will see three dots. Here, you can choose to delete your note, make a copy, send the note, which will let you either copy the text to Google Docs or to another app. Here, you can also choose to add in a collaborator. Adding a collaborator will give another person editing access to your Keep note. Anyone you add here will be able to add text to your note. This is really useful for team tasks. You can keep track of project tasks in one central location, and the notes will be updated automatically across any device that you are signed into. If you would like to organize your notes into themed labels, you can do that from here too. Simply select the Labels option, enter the label name, and that note will now appear underneath the label from the menu on the left-hand side. If you would like your note to appear in a certain color, you can do that from here too. Any notes that you create will be visible from when you open the app. Whatever you do in your Keep note here will automatically sync to any devices that you are signed into this account with. Back in this home screen, let's open the menu again. Here, you will see that you can access all your notes, any reminders you have added, the labels you create, your archived notes, the trash where any deleted notes will live for 7 days, or some additional settings. For example, you can change your Keep theme to Dark View should you wish to do so. I hope that you enjoy using Google Keep as much as I do. Remember to share your notes with others and keep collaborating from anywhere.